Right, here we go. So looking at question 14 from this paper, the cumulative frequency diagram gives the information of the values in thousands of euros of 120 apartments in 2015. So here we go, there's the cumulative frequency, and we want to find an estimate for the number of these apartments with a value of 80,000 euros or less. So what I'm going to just quickly do is I'm just going to zoom into this. So we can look up the 80,000, draw a line up at 80,000, so we can see it's this line here. Okay, use a ruler when you do this on yours. And we can see that it crosses about here. And make sure you draw a line across, going across to here. And we can see that that's at 97. And what a lot of people gave was 96 on this question. The examiner would give between 96 and 98. They give you a plus or minus 1 possible difference there of answer. So as long as you draw the line on your graph. So 97 was our answer there. Now on the grid opposite, we want to draw a cumulative frequency diagram for this information. So we want to put the points 0, 15, 44, 85, 102 and 120 on this graph, and we want to plot them at the maximum value, okay? Because what cumulative frequency means is that all these values, this value, there's no values between 0 and 20. There's 15 values between 0 and 40, so therefore the only thing we can reference that to is the 40, so there's 15 values less than 40. So we go along and we plot the 0 at 20, and then at 40 we're going to plot 15, which is the same as here again. Let's just zoom in a bit more so we can see it more easily. So, and then we do 44 at 60, so 40, there's 50, so 44 is going to be here. And then we've got 85 at 80, so going all the way up to 85 here. And then we got 102 at 100, got that one there, and then 120 at 120. And then what we do is we try and get a smooth curve, if possible, through these points. But the more points you have, the more okay it is to use a straight line between these points. So actually, if you do use a straight line between the points, you will get the marks. Anyway, now yes, I'm slightly out because of the parallax with my pen and the screen. You will be expected to get your values through the points when you draw yours. Now, the next part of the question is find an estimate for the increase in median value for these apartments between 2015 and 2018. So I want to find the median. So there's 120 observations. So the median is the middle observation. Now for graphical, but now normally be the average of the 60th and 61st values. But when we're doing it on the graph, we're just estimating. So therefore, we only need to just halve the value. So we just take the 60th value when we're doing this. So we can see in 2015 we've got this value here, going all the way down to slightly more than there. And then we've got this value here. And again, they would take it from your graph, make sure you use a ruler. So this one's about 54, maybe 55,000. And this one's about, what's that going to be, about 68,000. So we've got 68,000 minus 54,000 for our median. So that's going to be an increase of 14,000. Okay, and the answer I think is given in 1,000 euros, so we just write 14 as our answer. Do remember, it's really important to make sure you draw all your working lines in these graphs, so if you don't quote the exact same answer, they can see you're working and then give you credit for it.